This is the amount I earned for 7 days in this application. Only 7 days, 150,000. So I'm going to show you how to earn in this application, and it's free of charge. It's also open for men and women. The link is in the description box. Once you click on the link, it will bring you to this place. There are different options here. You choose the first, second, or third. So the first one is for females only. First of all, you need to copy the invitation code. Copy your invitation code is very important. Then you choose the first option if you are a female. If you are a male, the second option is for you. But if you are using iPhone, please choose the last one. Once you click on it, it will download. Let's wait for it to download. We are done downloading it, so it's time to install it. After installing it, then you open the app. The first thing you have to do is to put your password. Please put a password that you can remember in case of next time you want to register, log in again. Then another thing is to put your name, your date of birth, and invitation code. Remember, you copied your invitation code from the browser when you were about to download it. You have to put your invitation code. If you don't use your invitation code, you are not qualified to be a host. You'll just be, your account will be a male account. You will not be a female account. So that invitation code is very important. Copy. So this is where you have to put your invitation code. Remember, this is the invitation code you need to use. That is my agency invitation code. You need to join the agency so that if you have any question, the agency is available to answer you. Yeah. Next thing is to verify your face. It is very important that you verify your face, and this verification means you don't need to have 2 accounts, only 1 account for 1 person. So upload your real picture and then capture your face in a very bright environment. It's not difficult, just one time. Once it's successful, and they will approve you immediately, and you start earning immediately. This app has high call traffic. If you're enjoying this video so far, and if this video is helpful to you, support it and by subscribing to the channel and liking it, you guys, so that it will reach more people that needs it. I forgot to add this. As soon as you register, the first thing you are going to see is a pop-up that says allow over other apps. You need to allow that. Why that is important is because the system needs to be giving you calls all the time. If you don't allow over other apps, you won't be getting calls. They will assume you are not online. Even while you're online, calls cannot come in. It's because you did not allow it over other apps. So that calls come in even if you don't open the app. Even if you are just with your phone and you didn't open this particular app, calls will be coming in and it will make you earn faster. So you need to allow it to run over other apps. It will show you this after your face is successfully verified. This is what you will see. What you have to do is confirm, and then they'll ask you to save your password. It is very important. Save your password and your account details. You can actually screenshot it. So I will have to screenshot it in case I log out. Set your profile. Add 3 more pictures to your profile. It's also important and compulsory. So let's add the pictures. Successfully uploaded the picture. So now let's confirm it. Wait for it to load. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe. When you subscribe, YouTube is recommending it to more people. ignore this update. So you have to accept the user agreement. After accepting it, you will see your newcomer tax. You need to follow the tax, the instruction in the tax is very important because that is an extra bonus for you as a new user. This place is showing locked. Why is showing locked is because you are not qualified to send any message to any user. So that section is locked until you finish this newcomer tax. So this newcomer tax is very, very simple. You'll be getting automatic matches with people, and those matches must last up to 1 minute. Once each match reaches 1 minute, you get like 5 matches. Now, like as soon as you registered, you do it and you're going to earn 5,000 points for free. Now, this is where you're going to bind your account details. You click on the bind. You can decide to do it immediately or you do it later. So my email, I've registered lots of accounts because of tutorials I do. They are rejecting my emails. I have to ignore this section because I have my main account. So the next thing I'm going to show you, this is your profile. This is your full profile. So anything you need is here, your tax reward, your earnings. Now this is where you're going to withdraw. Once you are up to 70k coins, this is it, instructions. Your withdrawal function with not less than 70,000 coins. That 70,000 coins is $10. So $1 is 1,300. Very easy to earn. So this is where you're going to withdraw. For those that are always asking me how to withdraw, this how to withdraw. Please watch this video to the end so that you will not come to the comment section start asking me how to withdraw. Now this is your tax section. These are the new tax that you need to complete to get your bonus. I actually did mine and I got my newcomer bonus, and that is not even my main account. I did not say you should not go and be downloading many accounts, so they will bind you. This video, this account is just for tutorial purpose. So I'm showing you all these sections for you to be free to navigate around the app. Just play yourself around the app and you see new things, the things that you need to do to earn extra income.